Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Scubapro Definition 5mm Men's Wetsuit. So as the name obviously suggests, this is a 5mm full-length wetsuit. So this is the good sort of all-rounder. You can wear this in the UK in the summertime. You can use this out in Egypt in kind of like the colder months. That 5mm is that good all-rounder. It's not too buoyant, it's not too sort of thick and cumbersome like a 7mm, but it's that little bit more than a 3mm. So all of this is made out of X-Foam Neoprene with a water-based glue as well, so it's really environmentally friendly. It's also hypoallergenic because they don't use petroleum-based materials to make it. It's more hypoallergenic, so it's not going to irritate your skin. It's friendlier to the environment. It actually makes it warmer. It's nice and flexible as well, so it's a real stretchy suit, easy to get in and out of and to move around whilst it's on. It's that good kind of all-rounder. So, taking a look closer up around the neck. So we have glide skin on the inside of this neck seal. So that seals against the skin on your neck, creates an effective seal at slowing the water from getting in. So water will get in, but it's going to dramatically slow it down. So you still get that initial chill, but then once that gets in, it's going to stop it from moving around. Your body's going to warm it up and you're going to stay nice and warm. Now you can control exactly how snug that is around your neck. If you don't like it particularly tight, you have this little zipper, and that's gusseted as well. You've got more glide skin on the inside of that. So that way, if you don't like it too tight, you can lengthen that off and it just sort of loosens it. But if you want a more effective seal, zip it all the way up and that sort of tightens it around your neck. Moving down to the shoulders, we have a reinforced section, so this is a bit more abrasion resistant. You've got this detailing as well, so that's going to protect those shoulder straps. This is primarily for the BCD strap to stop that from rubbing and damaging the suit. It's going to keep it sort of looking newer for longer. All of this stitching is blind stitch as well. So blind stitch doesn't go all the way through the neoprene, it just kind of goes halfway through and then loops back on itself. So that way there's not a pinprick that goes all the way through the suit. So that means that the water isn't going to be able to travel straight through those seams. And as you'll see, you have very few seams on this suit. Big open panels mean that it's very flexible, and it's also tailored, so it's going to sort of fit your body much closer. So there's no big open panels where you're going to catch a lot of water on the inside of the suit, and you're going to be able to sort of move around. So it's going to keep you nice and warm in that aspect as well. Moving down the arms, so on the elbows you also have this abrasion resistant detailing, again just protecting the elbows from that usual wear and tear. And just below that you'll see we have eye safe. So eye safe is a little loop that goes over and around your wrist, and that's for your dive computer or your watch. You thread the strap through that, and that means that your dive computer, one, it can't slip off your wrist, it can't move up or kind of roll around, it's going to hold your dive computer exactly where you want it. Just next to that, we have a metal YKK zipper for the cuff. So that just makes it a little bit easier to get in and out of the suit. This is your first kind of hint at the internal lining of the suit. It's this nice sort of plush stuff that's going to trap water, slow it down, hold it against your skin and sort of keep you nice and warm. And we also have this internal glide skin sleeve. So this just allows a more effective seal if you're using gloves as well. You layer the glove over this, that creates a seal against that, slows the water from getting to your hands, and then you can really layer that up with the neoprene over the top of your glove, and that really slows it down. Moving down the suit down to the knees. So your knees has that detailing that's going to protect it from that wear and tear, a bit more abrasion resistance. And then down around your ankles, exactly the same as the cuffs. So you've got that zipper, making it easy to get your foot through it. And then you have that internal sleeve so that your boots can go over the top of that, create a seal and really slow the water down from getting down to your feet. Turning the suit around, the detailing kind of matches the front obviously, except you'll notice that the zipper is offset, so it doesn't sit straight down your spine. So that's because all of the weight of the cylinder is going to be bearing down on the center of your spine. If you've got a zipper underneath that, it can get quite uncomfortable. So offset just puts it away, just means that it's not going to sort of press on the zipper into your back. And also it can make it easier to get in sort of one side first and then into the other side. Up around the neck, we have a Velcro neck closure system. So this is that new Velcro that isn't quite as sort of scratchy as the original stuff. It's this modern Velcro, and that seals or sort of attaches to the other side. So that's going to be how you sort of tighten that neck seal and make it nice and comfortable. Underneath that, we have a metal YKK zipper with a really nice long leash so you can get in and out of the suit all by yourself. Just tug on that and that undoes the zip really easily. Underneath that zipper, we have a section of neoprene. So this is a flush guard, stops the water from going straight through that zipper and getting to your back. So it gives it a chance to slow down, warm up before it actually gets to you. And then on the inside of the suit, you can see we have two types of lining. So this sort of thermal, the orange stuff, so this is a plush lining, very soft against your skin, and that's very, very effective at radiating heat back to you. It traps water, stops it from moving around, so that's very effective at keeping your chest and kind of your core sort of nice and warm. And then down throughout the rest of the suit, we have this more sort of traditional grey plush lining. Again, more effective than just basic lining because it's plush. It's kind of absorbent, a bit like a towel. It attracts water, stops it from moving around, so it keeps you nice and warm. So a very effective suit. You've got lots of little features inside it that make it really comfortable, nice and flexible, but nice and warm as well, most importantly. 5mm is your good sort of all-rounder, so almost every scuba diver should have a 5mm wetsuit in their closet. This is the Scubapro Definition 5mm Men's Wetsuit. Thanks for watching and safe diving. We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.